In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share designs with links in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a shareable link. Choose the right access level and send it confidently to clients, teammates, or anyone who needs to see your work. Start by opening the specific design you want to share in the Canva editor. Make sure you are looking at the correct file and the latest version. This ensures the link you generate points to the exact content you intend to show, without confusion or outdated elements. Next, head to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This is your central hub for all sharing options in Canva. It's designed to be quick and straightforward, so you can move from designing to collaborating without leaving the editor. Under Link Sharing, you'll see a setting that typically defaults to only you can access. If you want to share your design publicly, change this to anyone with the link. This means people won't need to request access or sign in to view it. Keep in mind that while the link isn't searchable, anyone who receives it can open it, so choose this option only when you are comfortable with broader visibility. Now, set the link permissions to match your goal. Choose Can Edit if you want others to fully collaborate. This gives them the ability to edit, comment, and view the design. It's powerful for team projects, but be mindful that changes can be made directly to your file. Choose Can Comment when you want feedback without risking edits. Viewers can leave notes and suggestions while the design itself stays locked. Choose Can View if you only want people to look at the design. Perfect for portfolios, presentations, or finalized work where you want a clean, consistent experience without input or changes. Once your permissions are set, click Copy Link. Paste that link into an email, message, or document, whatever channel you are using to share. The recipient will get exactly the access level you selected, and if you chose anyone with the link, they won't need a Canva account to open it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.